We got the FILUXE Corduroy couch. This thing's freaking crazy, dude. I'm gonna be straight up. When we got this, my brother got it. I could not believe this. Feels like an innovation to me. Like, this seems like it's going to be quote unquote the couch because it came in a box about, I can't show you the box because it's got barcodes on it, but literally like about this big. That's what it came in. This entire couch unfolds into this. And it is so cushy, dude. It is so cushy. You literally want to lay on it. It's way more comfortable than couches that you spend. Honestly, people spend like 8x, and this couch is more comfortable. The padding, the thickness, the height is perfect. You can even lay across it. Obviously, it's good for two people. It's deep. Dude, it's so freaking nice. If you don't get this, you have serious, serious problems.